Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 272, AI-generated form with Copilot. We are continuing our series on Copilot. This time, we're going to have Copilot help us build a form. In this case, we don't use the Copilot pane. Instead, we add a form to a page using the typical add component functionality in the page editor interface. Once you choose form, you'll see where you can start describing what you want Copilot to build. Once you've put in your first description, or select from the suggestions, Copilot will present you with the first option. Now you can make changes to that form by describing the updates you want, like adding, removing, or moving a field. Copilot will also provide some suggested changes, and you can click the button to have Copilot load additional suggestions. As you make changes, you'll see the history of your conversation with Copilot. You can also choose to start over if you want. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the OK button. Copilot will generate a new table with the form as previewed and add it to the page. No permissions are created. You need to do that yourself manually. The table will be created within the solution you've set in the data workspace. At this time, the basic form creation functionality of Copilot will always create a new table, and the form will always create new rows in that table. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 272 on AI-generated form with Copilot useful.